Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how we can add the repeater in the theme settings. So previously we have used the custom variable, custom fielding for the like counter. Now we are going to add the repeater. Here also you can add the link color like color picker, type is color picker, asset variable the link color. If I go to my space like this section, and this is how we can add the color picker. If I'm going to say like red green, I'm going to save it so I can call it accordingly. So how we can generate this kind of color pickers? So so for this you have to add the pattern, you have to follow the pattern. Okay, so here we have the pattern. Okay, so this is region picker. After that we are adding form, basically a form. After that we have a fields, and in fields we have the country, that is the label text, country code. We are adding city, flag, and this. So this we are adding. So if I go and going to add this region picker, this time we are not going to add region picker, we can add contact information, and we are going to loop it. United States, United Kingdom, office title, hello, email, test at the rate gmail.com, office address, test 4567, United States. Okay, and office telephone 999. I'm going to add a new or again, it is to be the UAE address, and office title Leftsoft, office email Rajni at the rate gmail.com. Office address will be 765. Telephone will be 765. I'm going to save this fields. Okay. Now how to call this fields? Let's go to the structure. Let's go to the header part, and I'm going to call it. Okay, you have to create for loop for that. Now let me check. I have already used in the for loop partial site tracks. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do and end for. So I'm going to add this part, and after that end of for. So my information is fields.yml is contact information. So I'm going to add contact information and contacts. Okay. So I'm going to add the variable over here. So I'm going to add this, and what is my variable name? Sorry, we have to mention here key is dot key dot contact information. Okay, contacts. Now I'm going to add contacts dot field name is you can say country, the title over here. Title is coming or not. Go and check DevSoft. Hello and the DevSoft homepage is there. What we have added? Hello DevSoft, where we have added DevSoft. Okay, both titles are showing. Yes, because it is a loop. So two titles will become. I'm going to add the country. So here we have the email. You can also get the email. So here we can add the, if you go and load, both emails are coming. Okay, so this we can make a like contact information we want, like three tabs. We are this kind of three tabs we want. So what we have to do? We can create the low icon, this and that, and make a for loop and get all the fields and make it dynamic. That's very easy, right? So this is how we can create the repeaters and how to call that repeaters in the anywhere in the theme with the help of this dot theme dot the main component name. Okay, so this is how we are using the repeaters in the October CMS. I hope you will like this video. If you have any query, please do let us know. I will help you on that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment. Thank you so much.